You've heard of the green economy, the blue economy, maybe even the grey economy. But have you ever heard about the orange economy? And I don't mean selling citrus fruit. Also known as the creator economy, it refers to industries that rely on individual creativity, skill, and talent. Think of the arts, from music, films, and fashion to architecture, publishing, cultural tourism, and even digital content, gaming, and animation. The orange economy takes creativity, content, and culture to the other side of commerce. Short form video remains a dominant format of creation, with YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Moj at the forefront. As you watch this video, you're on the consuming end of this economy. Last year, Indians collectively spent 1.1 lakh crore hours staring at their phones. What was once seen as a metro and Gen Z-centric phenomena has now spread across age groups and geographies. Even in the age of ever-increasing AI-generated slop, which raises questions about artists' intellectual property, the value of human creativity remains. Digital content is just a part of this economy, albeit a loud one. Earlier this year, Prime Minister Narendra Modi called the creative economy the next big engine of sustainable and inclusive growth. Currently, it employs about 8% of India's working population and has projections to grow. The center has also announced a $1 billion fund dedicated to supporting India's growing creator economy. Challenges like IP enforcement, limited rural digital access, and lack of formal financing persist, but the momentum is here. This economy isn't just digital. Recently, an exhibition in Delhi showcased tribal art from 30 tiger reserves across India. From Gond and Warli to Bhil, each piece told a story of coexistence and conservation. At the event, the government announced that emerging tribal artists will represent India at the 2026 Venice Biennale. Sustaining these traditions means linking culture with livelihood and opportunity. From reels to ritual art, the orange economy is India's new canvas.